Good morning. I just woke up here at Fjällräven Classic Denmark and I just had my morning routine. If there is one question I get asked a lot, it's about the hygiene on the trail and how to handle that. So I thought I might give you some tips for that. First of all, I think the one question you should ask, how do you handle the hygiene at home? And the answer for the trail would be the same as you do at home. So for example, would you go to bed with dirty feet in your bed at home? No, you wouldn't. So if you're on the trail, you make sure to wash your feet, you clean them up before you go to bed. And the same if you go to the toilet at home. Do you wash your hands? You probably do. So that's what you do on the trail as well. I also want to share some tips about female hygiene and how to handle menstruation on the trail, because that is also a question that I get asked a lot. So first of all, I think that if you use one method at home, I think you should use the same method out on the trail. For example, if you use tampons at home, I think that is the way to use on the trail as well. And just make sure, you can use a trash bag, and you can have a separate trash bag if you want for the tampons, so you can keep that on the side. Makes it a little bit easier. For me, I prefer to use a cup because that's what I use at home. This one is reusable. You can have it in for about 12 hours and then you just take it out and you rinse it. And then you might ask, how do you rinse it? Well, I always carry a small foldable cup like this, and I have a separate one with a bright color that goes in my hygiene kit. So I just rinse it simply with some intimate wash. This is a brand new bottle, but I usually pour it into a tiny bottle and keep in my toilet bag. So just rinse it off and you can reuse it over and over again. Other methods, well, you can use period panties, and you might want to use a separate bag to store the used ones until you get back home and can clean them. And the same goes if you use pads at home. I think my recommendation is to use that on the trail as well. But other than that, I always keep a small towel in my hygiene kit, and I prefer to use a one in 100% linen. It will absorb water super quick, and it will also dry as quick. I just put it outside my bag when I'm trekking and it will dry just in a kick. But apart from that, always keep some sunscreen, some band-aids for blisters. It's all about taking care of yourself and making sure that your body is good for trekking. What else do I have? Well, of course, I have some toilet paper in my toilet bag, in the hygiene kit. You never know what the weather is going to be like, so I keep my toilet paper in a plastic bag like this. Of course, I have some hand sanitizer. Something that I also like to keep is some intimate wipes. It's wipes with no perfume, so you can use it. I mean, if you have your period, of course, to clean yourself, but I use it every night and every morning if I don't have access to running water, of course. And this is also good for washing your face, your arms. No perfume, so it's perfect for anything. I think that's basically it, what I have in my hygiene kit. So I hope you found the tips useful, and I also do hope to see you out on the trail.